I covered there.
No, 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 no. Negita.
Instead of yell. For what?
Okay guys, I haven't used this pot in a long time, but I'm trying to keep that nice white scheme of pots that I have going on outside. But my ficus has been doing really, really well outside, and I've just come to accept that it should stay outside. Look at that beautiful new leaf. And look at this leaf. I'm not too sure if this is like damaged. There's nothing really telling me that it's damaged, just besides these thick vessels. I don't know. Yeah, other than that, it's doing really well. A while back it was windy and this plant tipped over because it's really top heavy. As you can see, there's roots starting to pop out from the top. So it's in need of a repot, but this plant ended up tipping over and it fell like this, but since then it's healed. And this, just with time, when it was in my house, it started getting blacks, you know, that soft black spot. But it's been a while since I cut it, and the leaf seems to be doing just fine. Yep. Yeah, it's doing really well. There was a root dangling down, but I think we lost it. And well, there's actually one starting to poke right there. But yeah, I don't have too much soil, unfortunately, but I'm just gonna collect all the soil that I have from outside, and I'm just gonna go ahead and put it in there. Here is, yeah, this didn't do good in here, but I have some charcoal in there, so this is still good soil. I'm not gonna fill it all the way to the top. As it gets taller, I will go ahead and I'll pot it in this pot. Okay. So this is how it looks. Really good for the most part. I like it, nice and healthy. Okay, gonna keep it like that. Low, but enough, with enough space. And then as it grows, I'll just lift it up until it eventually grows out of the pot. Let me see if I can find some soil. Some nice airy soil. soil that I like to use in my house that's has orchid bark. It has an orchid bark mix with some charcoal, some chunky orchid barks, not orchid bikes, some light perlite, tiny perlite. Sorry, just got a fork and I'm pretty tired. But then I added some chunky perlite that I bought separately with Fox Farms soil blend. I love Fox Farm. Look how nice and aerated this soil looks. I love it. And I'm just gonna go ahead and throw it on top. And you can see how much space I have from the top of the pot. You see? Let's see if I can do this while recording. I need to get more. Turn around.
It's a citywide elected office, and yet it doesn't really have a banner. But again, it is steadfast that he is going to hang in there and continue. He was huddled with his attorneys all night last night. And so this is going to.
It is a little past 3:28 to be exact, and thankfully here in Florida, Storm Helene hasn't done anything. As you can see, the rain has passed. It rained this morning around 10, really strong, but not crazy. But we are getting the winds. You can see the trees from camera doesn't look bad, but we've had to push everything back, especially in the front. We have plants out here and they tipped over. So the wind is coming. It's definitely coming.
Make some space.